Hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you. Let's start. How to detox and cleanse your lungs naturally. Lungs are one of the most important organ systems of the body. We are breathing because we are being gifted with a pair of lungs which help us breathe and thus regulates additional metabolism of the body. Lungs are called fhufus in Ayurveda, and the whole respiratory system is known as pranavaha srotas. Here prana means life and pranavaha srotas means a microchannel through which the air enters the body and hence sustains life. Without this srotas, life is not possible. Nowadays it is very difficult to maintain the health of the respiratory system because of the pollutants which are constantly present in the environment. So, following are some ways which can help you detoxify as well as cleaning your lungs naturally. Natural ways to detox and cleanse your lungs. Number 1. Rock salt, pink salt, with lukewarm water. Lukewarm water is very essential in keeping our lungs naturally clean and healthy. Addition of rock salt, pink, helps in getting rid of accumulated cough. According to Ayurveda, Ushan Jala, warm water, and Saindhava Lavana, rock salt, both are kapha dosha pacifying, hence reduces chances for kapha dosha vitiation. It cleanses the overall respiratory system, thus enhancing the performance of lungs. Number 2. Herbal teas. There are many herbal teas which can be made easily at home. These teas are very effective in detoxifying lungs and enhancing their performance naturally. One can have ginger, Zingiber officinale, tea, which can be made by boiling crushed ginger in water. You can also add half teaspoon of honey in it, strain it and drink. Another herbal tea can be made using pepper and mint. All you have to do is add 3 to 4 crushed black pepper, piper longum, along with fresh mint leaves into water. Here also, you can add half teaspoon of honey and boil till it reduces to half. Strain and enjoy your lung detoxifying tea. One more herbal tea can be made by using mullathi, Glycyrrhiza glabra. All you have to do is add 1/4 teaspoon of powdered mullathi in boiling water. Boil the liquid for around 2 to 3 minutes and then pour it in a cup and start with your lung detoxification. Number 3. Regular steam before sleep. If you are having recurrent cough and you always feel like spitting it, or you're having recurrent dry cough, then you may try this natural method before sleep. You can add 3 to 4 drops of camphor oil in boiling water and then use it for steaming before sleep. It helps in relieving chest congestion and also prevents accumulation of kapha dosha. It also helps in relieving inflammation. Number 4. Golden milk. Golden milk is not a very big rocket science, but haldi dud. Haldi, also as turmeric in English and haradra, curcumin longa, in Sanskrit, is having many properties like it has anti-inflammatory effect, it relieves pain, increases metabolism of the whole body and detoxifies all the systems of the body. It keeps all dosha balanced and prevents any kind of infection. Number 5. Exercise, yoga and pranayama. Exercise, yoga and pranayama is the best way to keep your lungs clean, as exercising increases the rate of inspiration, number of times air is inhaled, and rate of expiration, number of times air is exhaled. Exercises like mild running, some yoga poses like bow pose, cobra pose, upward facing dog pose. These all poses are best for naturally cleansing and detoxifying lungs. Number 6. Homemade soup. Homemade soups are incredibly impressive in strengthening and detoxifying lungs. One can start with black gram soup after adding ginger and garlic in paste form, if you are preferring something vegetarian. But some kind of non-vegetarian soups can also be preferred, which can have shredded meat as its ingredients along with garlic and black pepper. It is called as mansa rasa in Ayurveda. Both of these soups are balia, that provides strength, and improves digestive metabolism, which helps in balancing whole body metabolism and prevents accumulation of endotoxins. Remember, maintaining lung health is very important and is possible using the above remedies. These remedies not only cleanse the lungs but also help in increasing all-over body metabolism and can also be used in various kinds of mild to severe respiratory disorders including cold, cough, bronchial inflammation, asthma, etc. Thanks for watching my videos. If you want more videos, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get my new videos early. Thank you. See you next time.